When the scripture said, "Let us make man in our image and likeness," the word us and our was strategically inserted into the scriptures to make it appear as if more than one entity created men. Also, the placement of these words make it appear as if there is two forms of creation. Remember, Satan does his best work through deception. He has created the doctrine of two forms of man was created through false interpretation of the word. Israelites, the Most High created everything. No other created being formed man in their image and likeness. The Most High created the first man, Adam, in his image. Adam is the first of our species. The people who proclaim there was another kind of a man that lived on earth before Adam do not understand the scriptures, and the Spirit of the Most High is not with them. The Most High is the only inventor of his creation. The Most High is responsible for Adam and his seed.